Mr. Sunny is at it again with 4 awesome new ideas, and the first 3 are amazing ways to join some profile pipe. The first requires some careful measurement, scoring, and cutting. But if you cut just right, the fit is amazing. A section, a little bit like a house, cut out of one piece of pipe. Now to make the end of another piece fit perfectly inside. Hammered into place, that's not going anywhere. Here's another way to make a fantastic joint. Nice and sturdy, this one a 3-way joint. First, a triangular section cut away, and the pipe bent to a 90-degree angle. To wrap around that corner, another piece cut and bent on the 2 inside edges. Screwed into place, just look at that perfect fit. That is a fantastic corner. Next up, another way to join some profile pipe. Again, some custom measuring, some careful scoring and cutting. And in the end, a nice secure joint. Those 2 flaps opened up, and the end of this piece cut and hammered down just a little bit to fit inside. Once it is, secured with a screw. Which joint technique you choose is up to you. This last idea, a little bit of a departure. Still needing to cut some pipe, this time welding it together into a square frame and adding a guide along the back, as well as 2 more sections of pipe. The cutting done with an angle grinder. In the end, that'll be the main focus of this incredible framework. Because once these sections are cut away and attached, you can see the slide guides there. It's time to attach the actual angle grinder. Measured to fit perfectly inside, it slots in, and quite incredibly, ends up becoming a disc sander. It just needs to be mounted to this now painted frame. Secured to the work table. Time to get some work done. Mr. Sunny has done it again.